Hi everyone, this is Betsy
and Danilo
here from REMAX Real Estate Center. We hope everyone is being healthy and safe at home. Recently, many of our clients have approached us and asking our professional opinion on what impact the COVID-19 pandemic will have on the real estate market in the GTA and right here at home in the Burlington and Hamilton area. In this short video, we'll do our best to let everyone know what we believe will happen in the market over the next few months as this crisis comes to an end. We base our opinions on market trends and data from the Toronto Real Estate Board and Hamilton Burlington Real Estate Board and our working experience in the market.
First, we're going to talk about the overall GTA market, which is adjusting well to tighten restrictions on doing business as properties continue to sell amidst of this COVID-19 pandemic. Real estate agents are using technology to bring buyers and sellers together, and in some cases, they are delaying listings. The government of Ontario still includes many of the services that make up the real estate industry on its list of essential businesses, but it recently prohibited the hosting of open houses, something that we haven't done since February. Buyers are gradually accepting the new methods now that the rules around trading in real estate have become more clear and they're getting more comfortable with buying properties in this environment.
Definitely. Price-wise though, price have been holding up firm because listings have not ramped up and homeowners are aware of the high price achieved in February and early March. So what we have not seen are any panic sales. There's not enough product out there to cause sellers to not act rationally. Some buyers have already sold their existing home and now they need to buy another one, but they're not fighting any discounts simply because sellers are holding very firm. If they don't get a price they want, they're not selling. For some investors who plan to buy a property to rent and do not mind buying from a virtual tour, that could allow them find a very good opportunity right now in this market because competition is way less fierce.
Exactly. Now, lenders and mortgage brokers, banks, they're treading carefully around deals where buyers face a loss of income from a job or a business because they're afraid of people not being able to meet their obligations. According to the latest figures from the Toronto Real Estate Board, sales did jump 49% in the first half of the month of March. Now, in the second half of the month, during the post-COVID period, that's from March 15th and onward, sales dropped by about 15.9%. Despite all of this, overall, in March, there was a 14.5% increase in selling price for homes. So that's really good news that the prices are holding strong.
Similar market trends happen here in Burlington and Hamilton, where the numbers of sales for single-family properties decreased by 1.9% compared to the same months last year, and the average sale price increased by 14.3%. Townhouse sales decreased by 5.7% and the average townhouse sale price increased by 14.9%. Apartment-style property sale decreased by 11.9% and the average sale price actually increased by 14.5%. What this means is that serious buyers are still looking, houses are still selling, real estate prices usually drop when demand is smaller than the supply, which is not the case right now.
Exactly. Not a lot of homes in the market and there's still lots of buyers. Now, as COVID-19 pushes sales volumes down, prices may start to stall as people stay home, but they will pick up right where they left off when the crisis passes. The Toronto Real Estate Board, which had been projecting a 10% increase growth in the GTA this year, said it's going to upgrade its forecasts in mid-April. So once we have that update with more data, we'll share with you on Facebook, so make sure you follow us on Facebook. Now, if we see a peak in COVID-19 infections in the spring, followed by loosening of social distancing measures, starting in the mid to late summer, opening up of businesses, etc., we could definitely see a stronger housing market throughout the fall and into the winter. So it's a really good opportunity for buyers now if they can find a property. Also, return to work during really low mortgage rates would also fuel the economy. And a lot of the fiscal stimulus coming from federal and provincial governments, which is barely visible now, will really be kicking in by that point.
I just can't wait. So if you need real estate right now or you're just simply looking for advice, please don't hesitate to give us a call. We're still working, we're still serving our clients and making sure that both our clients and ourselves are well protected. Just remember that every day passes, we're one day closer to our normal life, one day closer to seeing our friends and family again.
So hang in there, enjoy spending time with your loved ones, and do something that you usually don't have time to do otherwise. Take care, everyone.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.